Disable WordPress plugin from database. Many of us going running WordPress sites in live or local and facing a common problem. Maybe we are using a plugin with an error and suddenly an error comes and we can't access dashboard and pages. Hi, this is Nan. In this video, we're gonna learn a very simple trick to disable WordPress plugin from database. Let's solve the problem together. So we are in our site. We can see we can clearly access our dashboard. Also, we can clearly access our home page too. So there are no problem. We can see there are 4 plugins activated in our site. One is called redirection. We are going to make a problem in this plugin. So let's create the problem. For this, we are going to remove one of the function name. So this is showing as undefined function. So let's refresh the dashboard. Also refresh the home page. We can't access the home page and we can't access the dashboard too. So to solve the problem, we should go to our database. Here from the table name WP options, let's go there and search for a value. So we are going to search like activate plugins. So we want to see which plugins is activated here. So you can see the options name is activate plugins and there is the use value. So we're going to change it. So for this, we'll click edit and let's zoom it for you. So you can clearly see the problem. So here we can see there are 4 plugins name: all-in-one migration, Google Site Kit, redirection, and WPSU. So from here, we should remove our plugin. So we know that this problem is occurring from redirection plugin. So we have to remove redirection plugin from here, but we should follow 2 important rules. Okay. So one is we should remove the name from starting I to starting the colon. Remember that we should remove this string from here. We should start from I and stop from the colon. So we will select it and remove it. Okay. So the first thing first, everything is removed for redirection plugin. And the second thing is we should decrease the number. Here is 4. That means we had activated 4 plugins here. So right now, as we have removed the plugin, so there are 3 plugins remaining. So we'll call it 4 to 3. So we'll update the value, we'll save it. Everything is looking fine. Let's refresh the page. See, we can clearly access our home page. Also, we can clearly access our dashboard too. And the redirection plugin is deactivated. So that's how we can remove a WordPress plugin from a database. So that's it from today. Please subscribe our channel and stay with us. We're gonna solve many WordPress problems with you. Thank you guys.